So today is day 7 of our Great Smoky Mountain road trip, and we're headed over to the Tennessee Aviation Museum.
Turn right onto Air Museum Way.
Well, that popped right up.
Acid.
This is do not enter entrance.
You will arrive at your destination in 700 feet on the right.
What does it say there? Airport is this way.
Yep.
Tennessee Museum is that way.
Arriving at your destination on the right.
So before we go in the museum, the first thing we have to do is look at all the old Jeep trucks. This M37 for sale for $5,000. I don't think my wife would go for it. Another M37 for sale, $2,300. M715, $10,000. This one actually looks to be in pretty good shape. CJ3B, $2,700. Ooh, I gotta own this one. Actually, the floor looks pretty good on this. It does? Did?
Flying from Corsica. You go only 60 miles, and you're 150 miles behind the German front. Turn again on that castle. Now you're heading north. Into the mountains.
So this is a 1941 wind tunnel. where all of the blades are made out of laminated wood. I cannot even imagine the weight of each of those blades. Yeah, you can see the size of the blank of wood, just so that can be bolted to the hub. To see a single Republic P-47 in the wild is a rare and eventful sight. But to see two of them in the same hangar under the same roof is an honor of presence. These two were amazing.
What's funny is we had a big school group in here, inner city kids. And they came to work on this, and the battery was dead. They're like, "How you gonna start it?" And took it out here, sent down the hill. Those kids thought we invented something, and we were wizards.
Because you pushed it down the hill?
Yeah, popped the clutch and power right there. Like, what? I was like going, "Oh my god, I'm feeling my age."
Yep.
That's why your parents parked at the top of the hill.
Oh, that's a nice looking MB.
Yeah, the 52 here has the original radio in it.
Up here.
It's gone, but
Okay.
it was parked right here where this trailer is.
I love it. Box of scotch. Now, is this one supposed to be original or has this been redubbed?